Hello guys, today we can talk about show your work, the chapter number 7, the don't turn to a human spam. This isn't really going to help you a lot and collaborating with your other content creator also. Why I want to create and why I want to collaborate with the other persons, and this is going to help you a lot. And first the thing was telling about what the fucky reason was I want to collaborate with the other creator. The many of a content creator, even myself also, first before this book was read about what a fucking reason I want to make a collaborate with another other creator. This was an actually simple manner because if you are other creator, for example, if it is a other creator also putting a lot of videos and he was a built his own of a audience. For example, he was in a built for 10k audience he was not built. I also created and I also built a sum of a audience. And when I started to collaborate with another creator also slowly started to collaborate means that that unique audience. For example, that another creator which was not built here 10,000 people, he wasn't engaged with that 10,000 people means I will going to podcast with that persons and I will going to share my thoughts and everything with my audience also. That in this what he was build a 10,000 about audience and my audience will be going to combine and it's going to be in a build myself as my creator. You want to grow in your content creation as a very much faster manner means you want to start collaborate with the other creator also little bit faster way to grow your content creation very faster manner. Second thing was really going to help a lot. And after a content creation and you will get your sum of audience. And for this I will going to explain about two persons. And person A and person B. And person A was he was in a very engaged with your audience and he was in a creator 1 lakh about 1 lakh about his audience and he has been subscriber about 1 lakh. And moreover he was in a really was going to engage. And person B now only he was started his content creation and he was in a very much good and he was in a really interact with his audience. And he was having only 50,000 about a subscriber and he was a limited 15,000 and he was now about 1 lakh about audience is there. And both the creator also now they wasn't decided about they want to sell the course about themselves. And for this the person A was a content creator. He was selling about his course about in this the 1 lakh about what is the audience means they really only 10k about this audience really sold about his course. That means that 10% of the audience has been remaining the 90% of people who does not help for his business also. And the person B totally he has been really 15,000 about people and totally 12,000 about people he was sold his course. And really the 3,000 of people who really was not supported. And totally this percentage was not 80 percentage of our audience really sold. And sold his audience sold a course from his audience. And huge different about he has been a more audience and he was in a less audience. It's completely useless because if you want to sell your course or a business service to your audience means how much valuable audience is there is much more important. It's not about you I am having a 1 million about followers, I have no 1 million about my subscriber. It's not about that. How much valuable good audience is there in your content creation, that is the important, not real followers from your content creation. Third point was telling about invite in the other person's other creator in the meet spot. Why there wasn't a really secret manner to how to collaborate creator also means just provide a free food. Why what is important, why I want to provide a free food for that creator? Because even every human nature there was no, if I gave free food to you means you will be definitely going to help me a lot. It will be give you a more gratitude and it will be give you a more reputation to me. I want to do something for you because this is a human nature, our psychologically. Because these are the things you want to learn means you want to learn how to win your friends and influence from this podcast. And I have been really done that podcast also. If you are free also means you can check it out and how to collaborate and how to talk with other creators, how to instantly like other person means everything I have been explained beautifully. You can check it out that podcast also, it's going to really good. And come back our content, and providing a free food to some person, some creator means is just going to give you a good start your content creation. You will be definitely going to help me a lot. I personally, I have been done many times. I have been done this technique to my friends also. You can try this, and you can start collaborate with the other persons also. Thank you for watching this video.